Hello, and welcome to the Quantum Store. This showcase is for our custom-built spawn selector resource. This allows players to select their spawn point based on their Discord roles and departments. As an example, this is what the menu looks like in Quantum Roleplay, with more spawn points and departments populated, and shows you what the resource could look like. Depending on what roles the player has, one of the tabs will start expanded, but the other tabs collapse. Each tab is configurable for departments, spawn points, and images. When hovering over a spawn option, if you have an image configured, the image will show up for that specific spawn location. You can also choose not to use an image and just have the hovered bar darkened to show that it's being highlighted. The colors for the tabs and text headers are all configurable, and the logos for the collapse tabs can be configured for custom images or have nothing at all. All of the spawn point text headers and subtitles are also configurable to say whatever you need. If you only have a couple roles for one or two departments, this is what the menu would look like. This script will work for any player that has one or all of the departments specified in the config. This is what the basic resource will look like initially. As you can see, there's one configured location in each department. There are some placeholder images that you can see when the points are hovered over. For the fire department, we lift an image out to show what it looks like when there isn't a configured image. You can also see what the collapse tab logos look like if they are there and if they aren't there. This is a quick look at what the config file and the open source client and server files look like when you get the script. In the config file, you can customize many things like the default player model that is used, the limbo location, and the camera view when the selector menu UI is open, and how the categories and spawn points are set up. In the client open source file, you can set up your trigger for what happens after you select spawn. In this case, it's set up for our character menu to retrieve the player's appearance, but you can trigger whatever events you need next in this file. This is pre-configured for using Discord role checking using Badger Discord API, which you can see in the server open file. This is where you can change the role checking or implement your own logic in how roles or jobs are checked for the player. This will be available on the Quantum Store TevX page at the link below. Thank you for watching.